What's going on, everybody? Here I am sitting next to a really awesome chalkboard paint wall, and we're always trying to figure out a way to give a little something back to our customers, to make something a little more unique here for our customers, because you guys are what's important here. You know, the things that make us different are the employees we have in the building, who are knowledgeable, who are credible, who know the ins and outs of all the brands we carry, and you guys who come in and give us the energy to want to be here every day, to want to be open 7 days a week, to want to have a smile on our face and to come into work and to work from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. So thank you all for that. And this is a little way for you to leave a mark here. Anyone who comes in, whether you're buying a major unit, whether you're buying a part, whether you're just coming in to shop, whatever it may be, welcome to stop by, grab yourself a chalk marker, customize this wall a little bit for us. We want this to be a huge collage of awesome, thanks to all of our awesome customers. So stop in and see us. Leave something behind, man. Leave something cool, whether it be a doodle, signing your name, funny quote from a movie, whatever it might be. We'd love to see you, and we'd love to have a piece of you right here. So come on in and see us, guys.